Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing carbon fiber pillar add-ons. These are flexible material. I have it here just positioning wise. They're not on yet. So let's go ahead and take this one off so you guys can see. So this comes with 3M all around backing. We're just going to go ahead and remove this and we just add them on. So this is real carbon fiber. And it includes all the sides here, so I'll show you guys each side. So it's an 8-piece set. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and clean your pillars. As you guys know, on the EV9 they're notorious to getting scratched, so definitely clean the area carefully. I have mine ceramic coated, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it. We'll remove the back tape on the pillar and we'll just position it, add, and press. Go ahead and clean the pillar. I'm using a waterless wash solution. So you want to go ahead and clean it nicely and dry. Next up, we're going to go ahead and peel. Now you can do this a little bit at a time so you can position. So what I like to do is give it enough, start from the top, and then I'll peel and I'll push down as we go. So we'll go ahead and position this. At the top, and we're gonna go ahead and start pulling down. Like so, until you finish all the way at the bottom. We'll repeat the same thing on each one of them, and that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here, and then I'll show you guys the whole one side already done. All right, there it is. So you guys can see it's a full coverage, precise cut, top to bottom. And it even includes the one by the mirror, so you guys can see. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. These will be available under Booster Whips website, boosterwhips.com, under the Kia EV9 category. We will be bringing more products, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.